Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 152. So here it is. Let's read the story. It's called this chapter, Their First Kiss. Isn't there any first conference tomorrow? Akshu, she was asking Jian. Jian said, I will leave one chapter tomorrow. The flight is 6:45. Well, that was too early, right? Biggies, you don't press the return. When I see you, I no longer feel tired. Jian said to Akshu, if you can still. Can you kiss me? Jian, she was asking Akshu. Now, she's really getting tricky. I feel 100 times more energetic. Akshu, at this moment, suddenly, she got really fussed about this. Probably, she got really shy, but she moved closer to her, and gently, she leaned towards and kissed her gently. Well, this is really their first time to kiss each other after so long. Well, let's see. Flying so early tomorrow. Akshu said to her, why don't you take some time to rest? Well, it seems that she was really rushing. Probably, she got really shy about this. Akshu said to her, good night. Well, maybe she was only trying to avoid her because she know to herself that she is really embarrassed in front of her. But Jian, she was calling Akshu. I haven't played for a few days. I'm afraid it covered with the dust. You see, Weiwei has already made the money. I have to clean up by myself. I have no time to rest. Jian, she was trying to coax her. You see, can I? Can I? Now, this girl, she is really getting tricky. Look at her, she was smiling. Also, spending the night in your room. Well, she becomes shameless, right? But she's still cute. Aren't you going to wash first? Akshu said to her. Now, after seeing her without any restraint. Amma, wait for me. Jian said to Akshu, said to her that she will be back soon. Oh, she must feel excited. After a few minutes, she was already thinking about. Now, looking at it, she looks like a coaster. Well, she must really excited to see and come back to her. Now, finally, since she was already finished, she was calling Akshu. With that look, of course, she looks really great and she's really pretty. Why? Why does it look like she's going to hunt Akshu? Looking at hers, Akshu, it seems to be something wrong with her. What's wrong with you? Jian said to Akshu. Why do you look so fat? My first day today. It hurts a little. I will sleep with you. I hold you to warm your belly. Maybe I'll be more comfortable. Jian said to Akshu. Now, it really makes sense. She got really worried about Akshu. That's why she wanted to be with her. You just live here. I might disturb you. I'm not sure. I'm worried about you. Jian said to her. Well, of course, she got really worried about her. Would you like some brown sugar water? Or the scene is over. It is useless. Do I need to fly to warm baby? Jian. She kept asking her questions. Do you need to take anti-inflammatory medicines? There's no use of taking it. After a while, shall we go see the Chinese doctor? It's no use. Jian, Akshu. She kept restraining herself. I'm fine. I get used to it. It's been a good time. Well, since she was not feeling well, probably she don't want to speak too much. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is only open for those who want to support. You can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye. You can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.